there was a break in the rain, so we dashed out and tightened up the lines, put an extra couple of lines on. And that's rain.
So we have currently set up all our available lines, and it's made us realise we need to buy all fresh lines because ours are disasters. But we're quite happy. We've doubled up on every line pretty much, other than this midship spring here. So we've got 2 stern lines, 2 midship springs, well 3 if you count the doubling up, and 2 bow lines here. Martin's just taking off the sides because the wind is coming from this direction, and all it's doing is catching wind, even if it's the slightest little bit. It's quite windy today, and it's not even the height of the storm, which is tomorrow. So these are our lines on our, remind me Captain, port side? Port side. And then round the back here on at the stern, we've got one going to the opposite side of the pontoon. So that's one stern line. And then we also have a line up there, keeping us off from the other side of the pontoon. So we're pretty stable at the moment. We have one emergency line left, but it's the worst one. It's worse than any of the other lines, so who knows what that would do. And we are getting ready for the height of the storm, which is going to happen about midday tomorrow. It's going to be at its worst, and it's going to last the whole day. We finally got some clear skies. We've been having massive amounts of rain this morning. It's talking about thunderstorms tomorrow. Yeah, so we're doomsday prepping the boat. We really need some new lines. That's a must on the shopping list now. Wish us luck. Absolutely tonking it down. So we made it through the night before the height of the storm. It was a bit uncomfortable. There was a lot of movement, a lot of squalls. One minute you'd be completely still, the next minute it would be thrashing it down with rain, and we would be moving around like nobody's business. Anyway, we've been out today, we've just tightened up the ropes a bit, we've kept them all, none of them have snapped off, thank goodness for that. And we're just getting ready for tonight. The height of the storm should arrive about midnight. So, all fun and games. Wish us luck.
There's a little bit of anxiety, isn't there? Yes, we've never been in a marina when it's been a storm before. We've been through a storm out at sea, and that was terrifying enough, but
we've never had so many lines on before, that's for sure. No, we haven't. We've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines. We only have one left over, and that's an emergency one. So yeah, here we go. Let's to get into the eye of the storm. Yeah.
Get into the eye of the storm.
Yeah.
Where there's no storm.
Oh, okay. Well, we're in the eye of the storm then?
No, we're not. We're on the outskirts of it.
Oh, shut up. Go and do your duties as captain and tighten up your lines.
I think it's my duty to delegate such activities.
Not on this ship, it's not. Right, I'm about to get pissed on. Let's go inside.
Yeah. Here comes another one of those squalls.
Squall!
Mouldy skies.
So another squall. We have been having them all night and all day. It's just constant. We're not moving around as much as we were last night. But we try and take the dogs out, going, oh, it's blue skies, it's lovely, you know? And then all of a sudden the wind picks up, starts absolutely tossing it down, and we have to leg it home with the dogs. So, yeah, there you go. You even got the bloody oilies out. Blue skies, lovely. Oh yeah, I'll go and take the dogs out for a walk. It'll be fine and dandy. And squall. Absolutely mental. Sorry girlies, you have to be cooped up inside. I know. Oh dear. Nasty storm. Huh? Nasty, nasty storm. Right, so it's starting to get a bit darker. It has not stopped raining. Absolutely hammering it down. Starting to get slightly excited at the prospect of this storm, but also a little bit nervous. So, yes. We'll try and keep you posted. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this morning another migrant boat turned up, and this is the closest we've ever managed to get to a newly arrived migrant boat, and this is what they drive 100 nautical miles across open ocean in. It absolutely fucking stinks. What the hell?
Imagine spending 10 days on that in the open ocean. That's insane.
The night before the storm. Fuck me. Okay, the wind's picking up, but going back and reflecting on it, we've just got back. That is the closest I will ever want to be to a migrant boat ever again. On that makes you feel sick. So yeah, I'm not going to be doing that again.
It's 7:45 on the night of the storm. We've brought everything in from outside. We are battened down. The hatches are closed. Wait to see what happens now. It's midnight and it's just about as calm as it could be. There's no wind, there's no rain. Touch wood, there's no storm. Weather predictions in the Canary Islands are let's just say inaccurate.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. Help us make more videos like this by joining our Patreon family.